Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome back to the channel, The Chicago Griller. This is the show where I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the BOURBON. If you think that I can help you out, hit the like button and subscribe. Previously on the channel, I shared a recipe for grilling chicken thighs using a roasting rack and the indirect cooking method. But today, I am going to show you the direct cooking method for preparing chicken thighs on the grill, and do this with a maple bourbon glaze. Come check this out. I'm going to be grilling up bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs today. For the purpose of this video, we'll be referring to the bone side and the skin side. Once again, there's a bony side and a skin side to these chicken thighs. Anyways, let's begin to prep. First step, as usual, is to drizzle a thin layer of olive oil. This protects the thighs from the grill grates, as well as allows your seasoning to stick. Speaking of seasoning, just apply your favorite barbecue rub. Any barbecue rub will do, but no matter what you use, sprinkle that liberally over your chicken thighs. Then, as usual, with your clean hands, mix the oil and the rub evenly across all your chicken thighs. I am cooking up 6 thighs today, so I'm going to apply a little bit more rub. And once again, getting my hands in there and mixing thoroughly. Once that's good, set it aside and let's go and prepare our sauce. So first up, I am going to take some store-bought barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's and squeezing about 1/4 cup into a small saucepan. I do find most store-bought sauce a little bit too goopy and thick, so we're going to doctor this up a little bit. Today, as promised, we're making a maple bourbon sauce. So first step, grab some maple syrup and eyeball maybe 2 to 4 tablespoons of that syrup into your barbecue sauce. It all depends on how sweet and sticky you want your sauce. Next up, I am also going to add about 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to the sauce mix. There's the first tablespoon and the second tablespoon. And now for the potent ingredient, 1 shot glass full of Buffalo Trace bourbon. Any brand of bourbon or whiskey will do. Now set your stovetop burner to a low heat. There we go. Grab a whisk and whisk these ingredients all together. Continue to mix periodically and let this go ahead and reduce and simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. If you're looking for thinner barbecue sauce, go for about 20 minutes. If you're looking for thicker sauce, go for about 30. Anyways, everything is now prepped, so let's head on out to the grill. So today I am going to be cooking on my Weber Q1200. It has been preheating during the time I've been making that sauce. So the first thing I'm going to do is reduce it to a low heat. Then I am going to take my chicken thighs and place them directly on these grill grates. I am going to place them bone side down first. This is important because the bone side is a little bit more resistant to heat and is less likely to burn than the skin side. And when all is done with this video, you'll see we'll be cooking on the bone side a little bit longer than the skin side. Anyways, once all of the chicken thighs are on the grill, as usual, shut the lid and let this cook. After about 5 minutes bone side down, it's time to give all our chicken thighs a flip. And as you can see, nice grill marks on these chicken thighs. And notice how easily our chicken releases from the grill grates. This is a great indicator that your cook is coming along nicely. Anyways, all our thighs are now skin side down. We'll let this cook for about 3 minutes on that side. And now, 3 minutes later, about 8 minutes of total cook time have elapsed. It's time to turn all our chicken thighs back to the bone side. And as you can see, light grill marks on the skin side. That's perfect. Now shut the lid once again and let this continue cooking at a low heat. And now about 5 more minutes have elapsed on this bone side for about a total of 12 to 13 minutes of total cook time. I'm going to turn these chicken thighs back onto the skin side once again. And now, here comes that delicious sauce that we made earlier. And as you see in this bowl, it has thickened up nicely. I am going to now use a basting brush and paint this sauce liberally on the bone side of my chicken thighs. Even though I only squeezed a 1/4 cup of this sauce into my saucepan, we have plenty to go around, so again, just liberally slather it on your chicken thighs. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and shut the lid and let this cook and let the sauce set for about 90 seconds. A minute and a half later, let's open up the grill and turn our chicken thighs over, bone side down, skin side up, and prepare to sauce the skin side of our chicken thighs. And just like before, very liberally apply and paint that sauce onto your chicken thighs. I'm not saving this sauce for anything, so I might as well use it all up right here. There we go. Almost done. Let's shut the lid and let the sauce set for 90 seconds on this side. So here we are, a minute and a half later, for about a total of 15 or 16 minutes of total cook time on the grill. These maple bourbon barbecue chicken thighs are done, so it's time to pull all of these thighs off of the grill. If you want to be safe, you can temperature check your chicken. You're looking for a target temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. That's 74 degrees Celsius. Now, I cook chicken thighs so frequently that I know these are good to go. But how about I show you what these thighs look like on the inside? So here I am back in the kitchen. I have one of these chicken thighs on my cutting board and slicing right down the meaty side of this chicken thigh. And check that out. This is so moist and juicy and delicious looking. I cannot wait to plate this up with the rest of my dinner. So I'm going to go ahead and eat this piece now. It is sweet, it is sticky, it's delicious. Definitely give this recipe a go at your next cookout. You will not regret it. Thank you as always for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all again next time. Bye!